Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We know that if object moves, then its velocity changes, and the rate of change of velocity is called acceleration. If the velocity changes by equal amount in equal time interval, then object is said to be in uniform acceleration. Look at the board. It is a graph of velocity against time for uniform acceleration. Look at this table. This first vertical column indicates time in second, 0, 5, 10, 15, 20 and so on. This column denotes the change in velocity of the object. We take time in second on x-axis and velocity in meter per second on y-axis. Scale is on x-axis 1 centimeter is taken as 5 seconds and on y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 8 meter per second. This is the first point, 5, 8. Second point, 10, 16. Third point, 15, 24. When we join all these points, we get a straight line. This means that when acceleration is uniform, velocity time graph is a straight line. Observe this table and the graph. The velocity changes by equal amount in equal time interval. Thus, this is uniformly accelerated motion. Like this, for all uniformly accelerated motions, the velocity time graph is always a straight line. If there is non-uniform acceleration, then for non-uniformly accelerated motions, the velocity time graph may have any shape depending on how the acceleration changes with time. Let the car changes its position from point A to B. We can determine the distance covered by the car between the 10th second and 20th second. From the graph, the average velocity of the car is average velocity v1 plus v2 upon 2 is equal to 16, this is v1 plus 32 upon 2 is equal to 48 upon 2 is equal to 24 meter per second. So, I will continue it in the next lecture.